What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's third day, well, let me say this, is the third video that I'll be making about the peace take, okay? Why? Because things still print, okay, guys? Even though this is not financial advice, this video is just for educational purposes, okay? Peace take, it's super, no doubt about it, okay? Usually this kind of projects up to, let's say, 4 days after the game over. But the longer, more risk you will incur. But on the other hand, you will be earning lots of money. Okay, guys? Like I said to you on the first video, right? The project was fresh. Probably minutes or just 1 or 2 hours old. Okay, today is just 1 day old. It's not even 2 days old, 48 hours old. And you can see we got 96K. Yesterday I made a video, a new live deposit, and I deposited 300 bucks, and the TVL was around 20 or if that, or 16K, something like between 60 and 20K. I can't really recall, but it was really low, and then from there it packed up, right? 96K inside a smart contract, total withdrawn 26K. And over here, see the latest deposits. Shout out to Nana Crypto, shout out to CT, my homies. Okay, guys, we are making that paper, right? So let's go over to my dashboard and let me show something. Let me show you how much I have heard. Okay, so we got in from the first time that you watched my video, okay, like 2 days ago. So my first video, this project was fresh. Okay, so you got in from that moment, you are in profit. Okay, you are in profit. Actually, let's go to dashboard. On dashboard, you can see the stats. Okay, so my first plan was 500 bucks. Okay, so I invested 500 bucks, and 12 hours later, what I did, I invest 300 bucks. Okay, so that's why you see over here total deposit 800 bucks, total withdrawal 853.80, total passive income 895.20. Okay, so I still have a little bit to withdraw. Okay, as you can see right here, my total deposit was 800 bucks, and my total earned, will be 895 because I still have some leftovers. Okay, if we come over here to deposits, right, you can see that this plan is gone, right? So 500 bucks, I made 64 bucks in 24 hours, and this one, 300 bucks, I made 31.20 bucks in 24 hours. Okay, it might not seem to be a lot, okay, but it's a decent passive income because these diligence plays, we all know that eventually they will stop working, so we might take advantage while we can. Okay, so let's go over to withdraw. Okay, and I'm gonna make a live withdrawal just to show you that the project still doing its thing. Okay, so 440, we will go to my MetaMask wallet. We're gonna go and hit requests. So when you hit request, that you are confirming that you want to send the funds to this wallet, etc. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and hit confirm. So when you hit confirm, you will see over here, that's boom, and give it a few seconds and you will see this changing as well. And that's that simple. It's that simple, guys. It is that simple, easy money, right? So what I'm going to do with these funds right now, because the market is dumping a little bit, okay, I have a few altcoins that I want to buy right now because they are like between 5 and 15% discount. Okay, and I believe eventually those coins, they will give me a few X's. So that's where I'm going to invest. Oh, what happened? That's where I'm going to invest those funds. Okay, so I'm going to pick 10 coins and drop 50 bucks in each of those coins. Okay, guys, I'm going to make a video about that, just in case you want to jump in on those coins as well. So there you go, guys. Peace take still up and running, still doing its thing. So let me log out and let me show you that my withdrawal will pop up right there. Okay, so still doing its thing, right? So still early days, guys, not even this old. All you gotta do is pick one plans and roll with it. Okay, simple as that. So the first 3 plans you can withdraw hourly. This one right here is the one that paid the most, so 25% in 24 hours, but you'll need to deposit 10K. Okay, guys, 10K. So if you deposit 10K, you will make 2.5k in 24 hours. Okay, 2.5k in 24 hours. Crazy, right? It's a lot of dough. Here we go, guys. My withdrawal right there. And that's it, guys. If you want to join this project, the link's going to be down in the description. Always do your own research. Only invest capital that you can afford to lose if something goes wrong. Peace.